This is the 3 essential foundations for working with young people in a care environment. It's what I call a micro course. It'll explain what the 3 foundations are and why they're so important to you as a professional youth worker. The 3 essential foundations are 3 overlapping circles which place you as the solutions worker right in the centre. Circle 1 is all about you. I'm going to talk about the big 4, some huge research that proves that you are not only best placed to support your young people in a crisis, but best placed to support them before a crisis. Also included in there is the separate 6. Now these are a set of 6 huge considerations that we've got to make before we start working with the young people and client group that we have. Circle 2 represents the client themselves, and I'm going to be talking about the 8 laws of client interaction, how we can replace those self-made automated assumptions with our clients and change the way that we interact with them. Finally, circle 3. Circle 3 are the tools and the toolkit itself, and I'm going to break down for you some of the most powerful change therapeutic tools ever created. My name is Michael Dawson. I'm experienced and trained in NLP, clinical hypnotherapy, and the solution focused approach. However, after 40 years working on the front line in similar roles to yours, I always found that these amazing strategies would not copy and paste into my working environment. And that's why I developed what I call the Solutions Toolkit. It's a framework for working with young people in a care environment. This little micro course is absolutely free. You can grab a copy now just by going to my website at theactionfactory.com. I think you're going to find it really interesting.